Hello everyone. So in this video, we will download and install GNS3 with the Cisco router images. So this setup will be into three phases. In the first phase, we will download GNS3 setup and GNS3 VM from the gns3.com website. And in the second phase, we will install VMware. And in the VMware, we will import the GNS3 VM. Okay, and in the last step, we will cross-check the settings and we will load the Cisco router image into the GNS3 software. Okay, now let's start with the phase 1 and download the GNS3. Okay, so this one is the website, gns3.com, and on the main page, you will see the option free download. Just to make sure, you need an account for a download. I already have the account and I log in. So just click on the free download after login or set up the account. Now you will see the multiple options for the Windows, Mac and Linux, and I will go with the Windows. Just click on the download. Okay, this download will be start. Okay, and on the last, you will see the option download the GNS3 VM. Okay, now for the VM, we have also multiple options, and I will go with the VMware. Click on the download button. Okay, now this GNS3 VMware setup will be downloaded. Okay, so our both files are downloaded. We have the GNS3 setup and we also have the GNS3 VM setup. Okay, so first of all, I will go with the GNS3 setup, and after that we will move to the phase 2 for the VM setup. Okay, just click on the GNS3, run as administrator. Next, agree. I will go with the default settings, so just click on the next. Okay, if you see the options npcap install, just click on the agree and install it. Okay, so our GNS3 setup is completed. Okay, it is asking for if you want to go with SolarWinds. I will go with the no. And if you want, we can start the GNS3. Okay, I'm just going to skip this option, just finish it. Okay, for now, we just complete the phase 1. It's completed. Okay, now we will move with the VMware now. Okay, so first of all, we need a VMware setup. So I already have. Okay, so I have the VMware 15 and I can share this. Just comment me and I'm going to install this one. This one is a setup. Accept the agreement, click on the next. I will go with the default settings, so just click on the next and install. Okay, so this setup is complete. Click on the finish. Okay, now just open the VMware. This one, VMware workstation. Okay, it is asking for the license key and I have this key. Click on continue. Finish. Okay, now we have the VMware. Okay, now go to the main files. We have this GNS3 VMware. Just unzip these files. Okay, after unzip file, you will see this GNS3 VMware. So if you go to the properties, this one is 1.59 GB size. Now go to the VMware and it is asking for the update. I'm just going to skip this option. Now click on the open virtual machine and give the path of this VMware. I have on the desktop this one, this file. Open it. Okay, now it is asking for the name, so I will go with the default name. It's GNS3 VM and click on the import button. Now it is importing the GNS3 VM into the VMware. It will take some time. Okay, so this import is complete. Now we will go to the GNS3 application. And now we just complete the VMware installation and import the GNS3 VM into the VMware software. Now we are going to bound this VM with the GNS3. Okay, so this one is the GNS3 and it is asking for the options, so we can just cancel this and go to the edit preference and here go to the GNS3 VM and enable, check this option, enable the GNS3 VM, and here is the VM name. It's the same name we just set up in the VMware. So just click, make sure the name is correct and click on apply and okay. Okay, now when we apply the settings, so automatic GNS3 VM is started. It will take some time. Okay, now our VM is running. Okay, so GNS3 VM is running. Now go back to the GNS3 main application, click on the OK. Now you will see server summary. So there must be two servers. The first one is the global, this one is my local computer, and this one is GNS3 VM, this one. So these two must be the green for the working. Now I am going with the last step, the last phase. Now this phase 2 is completed. Now we are going to load the Cisco router images into the GNS3. For this purpose, we need an image, and I will share the link in the video description so you can download the images from there. Okay, for now I have an image that is for Cisco 3640 router, and we are going to import this image into the GNS3. So go back to the GNS3, go to the edit, preference, and here go to the ISO routers and click on the new. Now make sure you select this option, run this iOS router on the GNS3 VM. Click on the next. Now select the path of the OS, click on the browse, and I have on the desktop, so desktop, GNS3, and this one is the image. Just open it. Now click on the next. So this one is a default name, we can change this. I will go with the default options, click on the next. This one is a default RAM, 192 MB, I will go with the default options, click on the next. And these are the network adapter options, so just select the adapters. So I will go with the NM1FE, so this is fast Ethernet. And the slot 2, I will select the 16E, so this one is the 16 port switch. Click on the next. Now the ideal value, this is the option. So if you click on the ideal value, so you will see the performance, high performance in the GNS3 VM. Okay, so the ideal PC value is found, just click on OK. So this one is optional value, you can just skip this. Now click on the finish. Okay, so our router is imported, just click on apply and OK. Now this one is the GNS3 with one image for the Cisco 3640. Now just open the new project, and I name this project as test. Click OK. Now go to the routers. This one, the same router we just imported, drag here, and we need to run this. Just right click and start the router. Now you will see R1 here, and now right click and go to the console to check the interface. Okay, it is going for the putty and asking for the email address. Let me type the email address. After type the email address, just click on the continue. Okay, here we go. So we have the router R1 running in the GNS3 VM, and if we just type the command show version, okay, we will see it's Cisco 3640, the same router image we just import in the GNS3 VM. Okay, now I will post some links in the video description to download this GNS3 VM, and also for the VMware setup as well. If you like this video, just subscribe the channel. Thank you.